Today we are going to attempt paper number 2 and May-June 2021. For paper number 1, you can check the link in the descriptions, and more I will add the link on the video that you can check on the top of your screen. So the format of section A and section B of paper 1 is similar. In fact, our coming sections, the formats are similar. So we won't spend much time on understanding the format of the question. If you want to understand the format of the question, you can check the section B from paper number 1. One thing that you have to keep in mind that we have 4 different sections in paper number 2. Section A, section B, section C, and section D, and each chapter has been covered in every section. So you have an options, you have to attempt 2 sections. So among 4 sections, you can attempt any 2 sections that you think that you can attempt in a better way. So here we are going to attempt section A, family, and then we will attempt section B, which will be education. So we are going to attempt question number 1, question number A, that is what is meant by secularization. So I'm just telling you the format of the question. Number 1 marks you will get to give partial definition, but if your definition is clear that you have read in your book, you will write it over here, you will get 2 out of 2 marks. So what is the definition of this term secularization? Let's quickly come on to. Secularization refer to the process where religion becomes less significant, in the lives of individual, individuals and society at large. It indicates, although we already provide a clear definition, but just for the explanation I'm writing it at, it indicates a decline in the influence of religion institution, beliefs and practices. So this is how you can get 2 out of 2 marks, by giving a proper and well-defined definition. Question number 2, section A, part B, saying describe 2 examples of the dark side of the family life. So again, 1 mark you will get by identifying the example, and 2nd mark you will get by explaining those identifications. As you have to describe 2 examples, so by identifying and by explaining each of example, you would be able to get 2 marks, and by when you accumulate both of the examples, you will get 4 marks. If you want to see the format of 4 marks question, you can check the playlist of the previous video from paper number 1, section B of 4 marks. So let's attempt the question. What question is saying in part B? Describe 2 examples of the dark side of the family. So number 1 that we can cite is domestic violence. So you can write, this includes physical, emotional, This include physical, emotional, or psychological abuse, or psychological abuse within the family, for example, spouses may experience violence, or control from their partner, leading to a tense and harmful living environment. So that was the first example we gave. Now come on to the next example, that can be child abuse and neglect. Child abuse and neglect. So this occur when children suffer from physical harm, sexual abuse, or neglect. For instance, children living with drug addicted parents might face neglect and unsafe living condition. So this is how you can get 4 out of 4 marks by identifying and then explaining these examples.